So, what's going on, boys? Today, we're working on the 69. No, actually, we're not working on the 69. I got plans for the 69. The plans changed. I wasn't to put a TKO in it. I actually bought the fucking transmission. But I was talking to my buddy, and he's like, dude, why don't you just paint it and then get it cleaned up and then sell it? Because somebody's going to love the fact that it's a fucking race car, and they'll be able to just take it and go racing and have a good time with it. And I was like, that's a good idea. So what the new plan is, I'm going to just go ahead and paint it, clean it up, and get the thing out of here, because somebody's going to enjoy it as is, and I'll be able to focus on another car next car I buy, sell this one, make some money, get a new one, get it out the door. Anyways, today I'm going to be working on the Camaro again. I do have some other stuff I have to do to it, the fuel tank, obviously, and put everything together. But I'm going to be working on the 70 today, get this thing running so I get the engine out of it and then take it to paint, because I got a quote for the paint job, and all I got to do is get this thing started. So once it starts, I know that it's ready to go, and we won't have any issues with anything else. And everything else is pretty much ready to go. Like all the lines and everything's pretty much ran. So all I got to do now is start it, and then get the engine out, take it to paint, get this thing out of here, because then I want to focus on the Mustang and my bikes that are coming in. The bike's almost ready. I'll show you guys that when it's ready to go. But thanks so much for watching. I did start a Spanish channel, guys. It's in the link in the description. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that good stuff. Link in the description, so all that good shit. And if you guys want to learn how to flip cars like I'm doing, make sure you guys buy my buddy's course that I really enjoy, because it's fucking really good. I'm using the course to actually start building this new business. So make sure you guys go pick that up. Link in the description below. You get a $400 off when you use my code. It's quite a bit of money, but you're also going to be making a shit ton of money. So don't boo-hoo me about the price, boys, because if you guys aren't ready to pay up for some good information, then I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing. But anyways, thanks for watching like always. Let's get to work. I'm going to be bringing you guys along. The vlogs are back, boys. We're going to fucking hit this hard, because all I want to do now is build some cars, make some videos, and write my emails at nestormendoza.com. Thanks for watching. Let's get this shit done. Other thing Vince is doing, he's picking up his fastback today. He's taking it down to the paint shop. So he's picking up the trailer right now, but he's pretty much got everything like taken apart and ready for paint. This bad boy is going to be amazing when it's all said and done. I can't wait for Vince to finish this thing. Probably going to be in paint for like 6 weeks though, so it'll be gone for a little while. But when it's back, it's going to be fucking sick. Can't wait to see the end product with that car, because it's going to really give us a really good benchmark of what cars can sell for. But that car is going to be pretty amazing when it's all said and done. Big shout out to Vince. Vince.Hernandez10 on Instagram. Check out his shit, because it's really, really good. All right, boys, so we got the hood in. Unfortunately, it doesn't fucking fit. The plan was I was going to switch out all the piping on this car. I was going to make it a little bit more clean and then change out the carburetor hat. But now the plan is we're going to just keep the car as is and just get it painted. Unfortunately, the hood is too fucking short. So we're going to have to either get a new hood, probably like a 4-inch scoop, which is not a big deal, but it just sucks. I'm going to have this fucking hood just laying around until I buy another 69 Camaro or another 67 or 69 Camaro. Not a big deal. It just sucks, but it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and order another hood, get that thing coming in, so we go ahead and get this car painted. But I don't know yet. I'm going to see what we can do. Because damn it, dude, it's like so close. I think if I mill the hat down, I'll be able to fit it, but I don't know yet. So anyways, just a little update on the 69. Alright, boys, so we're taking everything off the doors, everything on the outside of the car. So right now I'm removing everything. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's a fucking 69 Camaro. Not very hard to take apart. It should be pretty quick and easy. So I'm going to send all this stuff to get powder coated. And then once it's powder coated, bring it back in, put it back on when the car is all assembled, and we'll get it done. And honestly, it's not very difficult to work on these cars. Pretty fucking easy. The only time it becomes difficult is when you're actually having to build one. Not even build one, just like fix one. Fixing them sucks. Fixing them sucks, because you got to go through like 40 years of people's fuck ups, more than that now, and then to get to the problem. So fixing them sucks. Building them is fun, for yourself only. Okay, so I got everything off the door. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the mirrors off, and then the bumpers, all the little trim.
Should take me an hour.
So we're gonna get the door jambs painted, and when you get the door jambs painted, you want to make sure that everything's off. So we're taking off what are these called? The kickers, the door seals, whatever the fuck these are called. Getting all this stuff off because when you take it to paint, you want to have everything as far as apart as possible, so they don't charge you any more money. So what ends up happening is that half your labor from the body shop is gonna be just removing this type of shit, when you could do it yourself, and it's pretty easy to do as long as you keep track of everything, keep everything in baggies. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take the carpet out too. We're gonna take a bunch of stuff off just so we can make sure that this stuff gets painted properly. Probably the seats out too, and then get it all nice and stripped out. All right, boys, we got the Camaro all stripped down. I'm not gonna take the headlights out because they'll just cover these. Did take the grill off though. Took all the trim off, most of the chrome, everything's gonna get powder coated, all the bumpers, all that good stuff. But for the most part, everything's off. I even took the wing off, so everything's gonna get painted separately. And I am getting the hood coming in probably by the end of the month, excuse me, end of the week. 4-inch fiberglass hood, and yeah, I got all the trim off. It looks pretty good. I'm excited to get this thing in the paint so they get painted and then get it back and assemble it and get it the fuck out of here. But the beast is ready. I even put some BMW wheels on this shit. Look at it. And the wheels, I think I'm gonna go bronze. I'm not sure yet. I'm definitely gonna keep the black, but I think I'm gonna tape that off and then just paint all the chrome bronze. Give it a little bit of a different look, a little more aggressive, a little more color. Just something to break up the black. And then I'm gonna put SS stripes, satin stripes with maybe a bronze pinstripe on the edges of them. You guys will see what the fuck I'm talking about. But you guys know I got good taste. It's gonna look sick. It's gonna be amazing. The car's gonna be fucking dope when it's all said and done. A beast in the track. Can't wait for this thing to be all done. But that's it for today, boys. Thanks so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, The Mechanic NM, Twitter, Snapchat, link in the description below. And I also started a Spanish YouTube channel, which is gonna be on the right-hand side of the main YouTube page. So go check that out if you wanna hear me speak in Spanish. But basically the exact same content as I'm doing here, just in Spanish. So Camaro's all set, almost all set. Gotta get painted. And then this bad boy's getting a whole bunch of parts for it. And we're gonna keep going hard, boys. I appreciate you guys watching like always. Take care.